welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gajendra Kane, studying in Electronics and Communication Engineering in SVC Bangalore, subject Physics, and today I'm going to discuss about characteristics of laser. Let's see the contents. Introduction. What is laser? Characteristics of laser. Uses of laser. Advantages of laser. Disadvantages of laser. And finally conclusion. Let's see the one by one. Introduction. Laser, short for light amplification by stimulated emission for radiation, possesses remarkable characteristics that make it unique and highly valuable in various fields. Those characteristics include monochromaticity, coherence, collimation, and high intensity. And let's delve deeper into each of those fascinating attributes. Let's see what is laser. A laser is a device that emits of a focused beam of light through a process known as stimulated emission. It stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The emitted light is typically monochromatic, single wavelength, coherent, wavelength in phase, and collimated, narrowly focused. Characteristics of laser. Those are light intensity, directionality, monochromativity, phase coherence, temporal coherence, and finally Focussability. Let's see one by one. First one, light intensity. It is a intense because of the phase correction between photons. Light intensity refers to the amount of light energy per unit area that falls on a surface. It measures of a brightness of luminous flux light in a specific direction. Light intensity is a typical measured in units like lumens per square meter or watt per square meter. Let's see second one, directionality. Laser light is a highly unidirectional because the diversion is less since the laser cavity reflects only those photons which are incident in a direction normal to their own planes. Any photons moving even a slightly different angles fall into return to the lasing media. It relates to the characteristics of waves traveling in a particular path or pattern. Let's see third one. Highly monochromatic. A laser is light is characterized by high degree of monochromaticity. The light is emitted in a very narrow frequency band. A monochromaticity light source emits light with minimal spectral speed, resulting in a distinct and precise color. Unlike conventional light sources such as white light from the sun or a typical light bulb which contain a broad spectrum of wavelength, a highly chromatic monochromatic light source like a laser produces light of only one specific color. Space coherence. Space coherence refers to the relationship between the phases of two or more waveforms at a given point in a time. In the context of light waves, it indicates that crisis and trough of waves are aligned or synchronized with each others is not just a sufficient of the light is monochromatic, but every ray in a beam should be a pause with respect to each other so that intensity of do not reduce. This is known as phase coherence. Let's see. Fifth one, temporal coherence. Temporal coherence refers to the consistency and stability of a signal or waveform over time. In the content of physics or engineering, it often relates to the phase relationship between different parts of wave or signal. When a signal is temporarily coherent, its phase relationship may remain consistent over time, resulting in constructive interference and a more organized waveform. This concept is main important in various fields such as optics, acoustics, and signal processing. Let's see. Third, Sixth one, Focussability. Focussability is not a commonly used term in physics or engineering. However, it seems to relate the ability of an optical system such as lens or a telescope to properly focus an image or light onto a specific point or plane. The term might to be used informally to describe how well an optical system can achieve sharp and clear focus, allowing objectives and different distance to be brought into a clear view. If you have a specific content or application to in mind, please provide me more details so can assist you better. Uses of laser. Laser range finding, inform processing DVDs and Blu-ray, barcode readers, laser surgery, holographic imaging, laser spectroscopy, laser material processing. Advantages of laser: high data conveying limit. Second one, outcome of electro attractive and abstraction, less sign spellage used in making fiber optic link, used in clinic field, used in dumping down, adversary tank, laser is used CDs and DVDs. Disadvantages of laser. Laser irradiation needs special equipment. Protective eyewear must be selected based on the laser V length. Multiple wavelengths lasers will require searching of safety lens during procedure. Cost and size, proper training and causes can cause serious circular injuries if you are used without appropriate eye safety device. Finally, conclusion. Lasers can produce a concentrate, powerful beam of light and generate associated hazards. Lasers are a device which amplify light and produce beam of light which are very intense, directional and pure in color. Laser can be used for many applications, helped people develop in many things in our daily life. However, safety precautions should include all the control measures. Thank you.